This story is brought to you by the Health and Homeopathy podcast.
But she's the same one that her daughter would take a lot of antibiotics, and she noticed a lot of differences. I mean, she's somebody, and I wonder if people with a lot of issues more start to notice a big difference when they've been on, I don't know, I have my own, I don't want to say it's a theory, but I kind of have this feeling like when people have been on a lot of medications, and she was on heavy medications where she was on some kind of medication that would tell your brain your stomach wasn't hurting. I don't know what it was, but it basically, because she would get those electrical shocks after she ate, and it would just tell her like, oh, you're not having that pain there. It wasn't healing it. It was just kind of doing that. But at the same time, I think that's the same medication that severely destroyed her teeth. Like, she needed to get so much dental work done because it was like leaching the nutrients. I mean, like, she needed so many cavities filled and root canals and stuff like that. And it just destroyed her teeth. And I think it's just like a really dangerous drug, basically, that she was taking. And I've just noticed people that are on a lot of like pharmaceuticals and don't really do natural things, and they start to do like homeopathy. I feel like I noticed a real big difference with them really quickly, because I feel like their body has been starved trying to heal itself and just needed that nudge. And it's like pretty dramatic differences. This is just what I've noticed, like just in my own experience, is I've just seen some of the people that are the most in pain or just have a lot of like autoimmune issues and stuff start to notice a lot of differences, and it's a big deal for them.
Be sure to like and subscribe, and share this story with someone who needs the healing power of homeopathy.